Ever wondered how Ninjatrader actually works and why traders love it in 2025? Let's break it down in just over a minute. Ninjatrader is a powerful trading platform used in futures, forex, and stock markets. It's built for both beginners and pros who want advanced charting, strategy automation, and live trading execution, all in one place. Here's how it works. You download the NinjaTrade platform, free to use for charting and analysis. You connect a broker account, and then you can analyze markets, build trading strategies, and even automate trades using NinjaScript, their custom coding system. What makes it special? The real-time market data, customizable strategies, and backtest before risking real money. So in short, NinjaTrader helps you trade smarter by combining data, automation, and execution in one seamless tool. Perfect for traders who want full control. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.